Ever wondered why your stomach growls? Today, we're diving into the surprising science behind those rumbling noises. Stomach growls, or borborygmi, are more than just signs of hunger. They're actually a normal part of digestion. When you eat, your stomach and intestines contract to mix and move food. These contractions, known as peristalsis, cause the growling sounds. Sometimes, air and fluids in the digestive system contribute to these sounds. That's why your stomach can growl even if you're not hungry. And if you've ever noticed your stomach growling more when you're nervous, you're not alone. Stress can increase digestive activity, making those noises more noticeable. Remember, these sounds are usually completely normal. But if they're accompanied by pain or discomfort, it's always good to check with a healthcare professional.